It is indeed a very exciting moment today in Okere city. We are celebrating Shea Festival, and we enjoyed Shea Butter, by the way, in Okere city restaurant together with the Bishop Emeritus of the Diocese of Lango and the former permanent secretary in the Ministry of ICT. He also served in various ministries before his retirement. And also here with us is the executive director or chief executive officer of Okere City. There were also a number of activities such as the Okeme dance competition, of which we are bringing to you in our next video. Okere City has a primary school, has a nursery school, lodges, the bar, the restaurant, and very many other services, including the health facility. But Okere is located approximately 60 kilometers from Lira City. North of Lira City, it is located in Aduari sub-county in Otuhe district. The Bishop Emeritus of Lao Diocese, Right Reverend John Charles Odukami, encouraged the government to continue crackdown on people who are misusing the shea trees. They are cutting them down to make charcoal and other things.
I have come today, one in my capacity as a retired bishop, a church minister, and also I have come to represent the head of our clan, the Ongora clan, who should have been here but has not been able to come because he's not well. And so it's my joy to see that at least this festival is here today, celebrating Shea Day, a Shea Festival, because we know shea oil, shea butter, shea, anything shea is very natural. God from the beginning wanted us to work on things, and he has planted trees just like he did in the Garden of Eden and allowed mankind to benefit from it. But also they were given the responsibility not only to eat and pick the fruits, but they were meant to subdue the land. So as we celebrate a Shea Day, I want to advocate very sincerely that shea oil, shea butter, shea in its all form is a natural thing, God-given thing, which is also rare. This type of tree is not common all over the world. Even in Uganda, it is given in selected areas, which we think is a blessing as God distributes this thing. We feel bad about the past where people used to take these trees for granted, and particularly those who doesn't see far and don't know the value of it would cut it down, burn them into charcoal, or use them anyhow. I think this is a very precious thing. And as we celebrate this day, I still want to stand alongside those who advocate for its safety, for safeguarding it, so that at least it is made use of the way God wants it. It is medicinal, it is nurturing, it can be used for a multi-purpose. You can use it for smearing, you can use it for food, eating, you can use it for making soap, you can make it for butter, in all forms. And it's medicinal, as I say, which I want to say and appeal to people who cherish this thing, who know this thing, and who have been blessed with this tree and this plant to guard it jealously, and make use of it for the purpose for which God created it and for the benefit of humanity. And I pray that this should be what we should all advocate. I want to thank government for coming on board to see that they have taken steps to safeguard it by either arresting those who are trying to misuse it and turn it for their selfish end.
Before his retirement from the job of the permanent secretary, Obongole said they designed a project that was meant to preserve and add value to shea trees in Lao, Deso and West Nile. Let's hear from him.
Do you believe that government is doing enough for the areas where there are shea nut, or you think there are other things that the government should do?
Well, um, that is quite an exciting question. My answer is no, yes. I remember when we were in the midst of ST and I, we had come with a very, very comprehensive project, Share Industrial Development Project. That project may have stopped on the way, but I believe Municipal Agriculture could pick on from there. I think they are going to pick on from there and then move on with it, because it was a very comprehensive project to make sure that share is not only protected in these areas. We're looking at all the areas where the share trees are. In West Nile they have, in Teso they have. In other parts of the country, I've told us that if it's not in your area, don't worry. That's how God distributed things. Yours may be coffee, but for us, ours is share. So I think it can still be safe, so that where it can be applicable, it should be expanded. This is a very good source of income, nutrition, and giving comfort among the communities that are there. That's how I look at it.
Thank you so much. This program is called Culture and Value on Lao News Channel. Today we are focusing so much on shea, but there are a lot of beautiful things in Okere City. Here we are together with Okwa Ambrose of Radio Unity. He has something to say about Okere City. What are Romeo Okere?
Okere City.
Kobakong, ngabere inanakan.
Okere City. It's first of its kind. I could say in northern Uganda and in the entire Uganda. Because everything I could say it's here, containing schools, happening places, bars, lodges, and the rest of the things. And things are here rich in different kind of food, because you can see chia butter, chia nut trees, and the environment is just cool. I love the environment. I wish I could stay here forever. I'm enjoying it.
Wow, it's quite amazing here. Watch out for our next video Okeme dance competition. It is culture and values on Lao News Channel. I am called Denish Ongora and we are today in Otuhe district.
You work it again. Play for me.